Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. Scores are Glenmuir High taking the early lead on 6 points. Campion College just behind on 5 as we head into the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Glenmuir, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which compound name means the Lord my provider?
Jehovah. Jireh? Yes. Jireh.
Jehovah Jireh. Sounds correct. Good. On the average human, how many lashes are there on the lower eyelid?
Lashes. 12.
70 to 80. Spell cataclysmic.
CATACLYSMIC.
Good. Who is the permanent secretary in Jamaica's Ministry of Labour and Social Security?
Martin Dwyer.
No. Colette Roberts Risden. What is the name of the Chinese Parliament?
Chinese Parliament. Go on, answer. Pass.
National People's Congress. Which French artist painted the 19th century work Vegetable Garden?
Paul Cézanne.
No. Camille Pissarro. Which U.S. city is considered the birthplace of jazz?
New Orleans.
That's right. In what group of the periodic table is the element cobalt?
Group 9.
Good. What are the prime factors of 176?
76. No.
5 seconds.
2 and 19.
2 and 11. How many nominations did the movie Everything Everywhere All at Once
6.
receive? 11.
Okay.
Actually 11, but well done, Glenmuir, for your first minute. Campion College, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which compound name means the Lord my victory or banner?
Jehovah Nissi.
That's right. Approximately how many pores are in the human body?
200,000.
5 million. Spell psychedelic.
Pass.
P-S-Y-C-H-E-D-E-L-I-C. Who is the permanent secretary in Jamaica's Ministry of National Security?
Konyachi.
Courtney Williams. What is the name of the National Legislature of Japan?
Diet.
The Dietto, correct. Which French artist painted the 19th century work The Spanish Singer?
Pass is it.
Edward Manet, who is often referred to as the Queen of Jazz.
Ella Fitzgerald.
That's right. In what group of the periodic table is the element scandium?
Chi.
That's right. What are the prime factors of 196?
2, 3, and 11.
No, just 2 and 7. For what movie did Brendan Fraser receive a 2023 Oscar nomination for Best Actor?
Pass.
The Whale. In what year did Singapore separate from Malaysia to become an independent and sovereign state? Sorry?
1965.
Good. And that's good. 1965 is correct. Well done, Campion, for your first minute. Glenmuir, we're coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. In what year was Aruba seceded from the Netherlands?
1972.
86. Which team won the World Series of Baseball in the USA in 2021?
World Series, USA
New York
baseball.
Yankees.
Atlanta Braves, who shared the Nobel Prize for Physics with David J. Wineland in 2012?
Pass.
Sergei Harosh. What is the English translation for the adjective linda?
Beautiful.
Pretty, yes. What is the name of Stephen King's first published novel?
Carrie.
That's right. In what year was the monument to Most Honourable Sir Donald Sangster at National Heroes Park completed?
Yes.
1980.
68. In the Bible, how many persons were at the Last Supper?
12.
13. What is the predominant acid in the venom of stinging ants?
Formic.
Good.
Correct. Identify the adjectives in this sentence. Brisk walking is a healthy exercise.
Brisk and healthy.
That's right. Hamza Abdi Barre is the Prime Minister of which country?
Pakistan.
Somalia. In which U.S. state is Silicon Valley, site of the headquarters?
California.
That's right. What name is given to hot, dry winds on the east or leeward side of the Rocky Mountains?
Chinook.
Correct. The Canadian artist Justin Bieber was discovered on which streaming platform?
YouTube.
YouTube came, but after the bell. Well done, though, Glenmuir, for your second minute. Campion College, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Which team has won the most World Series championships in U.S. professional baseball?
New England.
Sorry?
Red Sox.
No, the New York Yankees. Name one of the persons who shared the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2011.
Pass.
Saul Perlmutter, Brian Schmidt, or Adam Rees. What is the English translation for the adjective oscuro?
Confused.
Dark. What is the name of the latest novel Stephen King published in 2022? Fairy Tale. In what year was Charles Square in Montego Bay renamed Sam Sharp Square in honor of the
1973.
national hero? Sorry?
1973.
76. In the Bible, what was the money Judas received for betraying Jesus used
30
to
pieces of
purchase?
silver.
Sorry?
Pass.
A field of blood. Which type of carbohydrate provides roughage and helps in bowel movement?
Carbohydrate. Fiber.
Cellulose. Identify the adjectives in the sentence. This hot and humid weather is affecting everyone.
Hot and humid.
Good. Abiy Ahmed is Prime Minister of which country?
Egypt.
Ethiopia. Who is credited with the development of the modern digital computer?
Chaba Beach.
That's right. What name is given to a dry downslope wind that occurs in the...
Sirocco.
What did you say?
Sirocco.
No, that occurs in the downwind side of a mountain range. That's a phone wind or phone. All right, well done though, Campion, for your second minute. Glenmuir, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the molecular mass of propene?
Propene. 62.
42. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 96. What are those numbers?
30, 32, and 34.
Good. In what year was the first Iron Man movie released?
2008.
Good. Which country governed Iceland prior to its independence?
Denmark.
That's right. Which teams competed in the finals of the 2018 FIFA World Cup for senior
France
men?
and Croatia.
That's right. What is the charge in coulombs on a beta particle?
Pass.
1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. What is the English translation for quanto cuesta?
How much does this cost?
That's right. What is the name of the fifth book of A Song of Ice and Fire series by George R.R. Martin?
Pass.
A Dance with Dragons complete the Jamaican proverb, the darkest part of the night are
That is
when
before daylight.
a day soon light. Judges, what is the 65th book of the Bible?
Jude.
That's right. What is the name of a small painful swelling on or inside the eyelid?
Cyst.
It's a sty. Spell stupefy.
STUPEFY.
Good. And that's the bell. Well done. Glenmuir for your third and final minute. Campion College coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. What was the name of Justin Bieber's debut album?
Baby.
My Worlds. What is the molecular mass of hydrogen peroxide?
18.
34. The sum of three consecutive prime numbers is 41. What are those numbers?
17, 19, and 23.
No, 11, 13, and 17. What is Iron Man's real name in the Marvel
Stark.
universe? Sorry?
Tony Stark.
That's right. Which country governed Vietnam prior to its independence?
France.
China. Which teams competed in the finals of the 2020 FIFA World Cup for senior men?
Argentina, France.
That's right. What is the upper limit in nanometers of the wavelength range of
Pass.
gamma rays? 0.01 nanometers. What is the English translation of quiero comprar ropa?
I want to buy.
The dress.
I want to buy clothes. No. What is the name of the first book published in the A Song of
Pass.
Ice and Fire series? That's a Game of Thrones. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Me come ya, fi drink milk. Me no come ya.
Conco.
That's right. What is the 42nd book of the Bible?
Luke.
And Luke came, but after the bell, I believe. That's the end of the speed challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Glenmuir High have advanced to 23 points. Campion College still hot on their tail on 15. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.